Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of space exploration, as SpaceX gears up for another attempt to launch its colossal Starship rocket. Recently, SpaceX faced a last-minute technical glitch during their 13th test flight, causing the launch to be aborted. But setbacks are just stepping stones for SpaceX, as they swiftly move to fix the issue and prepare for a retry. The primary goal of this mission is to send 20 new Starlink satellites into orbit. These satellites are part of SpaceX's ambitious plan to create an extensive network of 100,000 satellites to provide global internet coverage. Imagine the entire planet connected seamlessly through space. During the last launch attempt, the problem arose with the main engines. The Starship relies on a powerful cluster of 33 Raptor engines to lift off. When a glitch was detected right after ignition, the launch was automatically halted. Elon Musk, SpaceX's CEO, shared that the solution involves replacing 2 of these engines before the next trial, which is expected to happen as early as next week. This mission is not just about deploying satellites. Some of these satellites are equipped with cameras to monitor the rocket's heat shield during the journey. This is crucial for assessing how the Starship performs under extreme conditions. In previous flights, Starship has faced its share of challenges. For instance, on one occasion, the first stage of the rocket failed to land as planned in the Gulf of Mexico, and there was an issue with reigniting one of its engines in space. However, the second stage did manage to return successfully to Earth, marking a significant milestone for SpaceX. The Starship program demonstrates SpaceX's relentless drive to adapt and innovate. With each test, they gather valuable experience, bringing them closer to achieving their ultimate goal, sending large payloads into space and returning safely. This marks a giant leap forward in the realm of space exploration. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Science Hub for more fascinating updates from the world of science.